the class, usually I will write down a class plan for them to let them know what to expect for the whole day, and doing Money 5, a money tracker app to keep track of where their money goes. And then we have recap about identifying if it's more or less, and then with that they identify if it's enough or not enough. Because for some of our students, they are not able to identify if the amount is less or more. So without that, they won't be able to tell if they have enough money or not enough money. So in today's activity, it's more like practical part to identify if they understand the concept. So they were actually being given a very small amount of money. Then I will also show them, so today you're going to buy this item. Do you have enough or not enough money? After they identify that, it's not enough, then they need to think, okay, so how much do I need to top up in order to purchase the item? Usually we will end with the more practical part where we will go out to the market to practice the skills. When they come back, they have to keep the ingredients and then do the claims. So that's where the science and the tech part comes in.